Alright, now hi, my name is Jess. We are working on a battery pack for our solar car, Sunspec 3. We'll be racing World Solar Challenge 2013. Now we are testing how to tap weld using a prototype sort of battery pack. Okay, this is not our actual one. Just now it was the failure. There was some problem with the tap welder, so you want to move your camera a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to tap weld 4 points. Okay, so first point, I'm going to go another round. Okay, all the time, huh? Okay, this is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. Okay, I get 2 shots. 2 shots, 2 times 2 is 4 points. Alright, there you go. Thanks so much.